Everybody was scared, but no one was hurt.
Okay.
That is a small silver lining for some people after storms rolled through Floyd County, bringing down power lines, uprooting centuries-old trees. Right now, about 100 people are still without power. But at the height of the storm, that number was around 5,000. Part of that storm system so strong, the National Weather Service confirmed an EF-0 tornado touched down in Cherokee County early Saturday morning. And down power lines from the storm sparked a fire that caused several cars at a DeKalb County apartment complex to go up in flames. Check out this video. This was at the Silver Oaks Apartments in Clarkston. We're told a power pole snapped after a tree fell onto it, and the sparks from the power line caused the fire. Clarkston police say a chain reaction was then set off to the vehicles beside it, lighting all of the cars in the immediate area on fire. Luckily, no one was injured, but the vehicles are a total loss.